All right, so we can start the session. Are you ready? Shall we start?
All right.
All right, so let's start the session. Okay, first of all, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're joining us. Welcome to today's exciting AIM session with AI prop. Guys, it's a next generation prop from that making babes by like branding. Trading with blockchain and AI, and we are joined by one of the core team member of the project who is here to like give us the whole information about the project. So without further ado, let's welcome him first. So yeah, it's pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much for joining, and we all are very excited like how all this thing unpack about the project. But before that, could you please greet our audience, share a bit about your web experience, and then we discuss in more detail about the project.
Yeah, good evening. Nice to meet you, everybody. My name is Eddy Hoffman. I'm the CEO advisor of AI Prop. I've been in crypto since 2017, so I've been around a long, long time. I'm advising projects, and I'm here to represent AI Prop today. AI Prop is like one of the most recent modern AI prop companies. And yeah, what is the number one problem trader faces in the trading industry is basically a lack of capital. That's why AI prop companies come into play. They provide users actually with additional funding so they can trade they have huge access to funds up to $5 million actually at AI prop. So they can have way better and safer trades. So like we have a contest going on actually at the moment. And it's time for our weekly leaderboard update. So I'd like to share my screen and show the people what's going on currently. So basically, we have two different contests. We have a big monthly contest, which I'm going to introduce later. And we also have a weekly contest, which I'm showing right now. So this is the leaderboard overview for the weekly contest. And we have huge cash prizes and even trips to Dubai. We have a lot of people, a lot of prizes people can win. So this is the leaderboard for the weekly contest at the moment. It's over 100 prizes in every weekly contest. We have 4 weekly contests in total. This is round number 2. Last week, I already announced the winners for the last contest. And as you can see, those are the people who won week number 2. Yeah, if your name is on that list, you're going to get an email with the email address you signed up for that contest. You're going to get informed about your prize, and then we're going to send it to you today immediately. And then, of course, the next contest is already here. Week number 3 is, by the way, already started as well. It's already like 1 day in. And yeah, this is the monthly contest countdown. So we have as well the big prizes monthly contest. So please check your name, everybody. If you're on that leaderboard, you want some nice money. But yeah, let's get into it. I got to tell you more about AI Prop. What is AI Prop? What are we doing? So I'm going to show you that. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. So basically, AI Prop is a sponsor at the Forex Expo in Dubai, which is our main idea for this year. It's the world's largest Forex trading event. And the top prize basically for our monthly contest is, by the way, a fully funded trip to Dubai. So you can also come by to this event, which we are a sponsor at, and find us at booth 189. Everybody is kindly invited. So this is an overview about our monthly contest, basically. And yeah, we have $300,000 up to grab in total, which is a huge amount, right? And the special prize, as I just mentioned, is a fully trip to Dubai. Everything is, of course, prepaid. Your flight, your hotel, your food, your taxis, everything is paid. So yeah, that's a really, really cool prize. If you have never been to Dubai, come and check it out. So the contest is, by the way, free to join. That means everybody can join, no matter if they are like a member of our company or anything. Like, I mean, if you have a trading account, you can still register and join the contest without a trading account. So I just want to mention it because it's totally free to join and equal to join for everybody. And it works kind of like a lottery. So you can earn entries during different tasks. On our website, you can register. There's a contest page, right? And you have a lot of different tasks you can basically do. There is a social media task. Wait, I'm gonna quickly show you. Here we go. These are the kind of tasks you basically have, right? For example, like AI prop on Facebook. You get like 1 point, and this 1 point gives you basically 1 lottery ticket, right? And you can collect a lot of tickets. Of course, then your winning chance is even higher. So there's like 100 of different tasks over here. And we also have special daily tasks, weekly tasks, a lot of tasks which you can earn your entries for our lottery. So here we are again. Yeah, there's those 4 different categories, right? We are 2 weeks in the contest right now. So you have 2 more weeks basically to win any prizes. Are you late yet? No, you're not late, because as I just said, we have a lot of daily and weekly and special tasks which can earn a lot of entries. So you can start anytime. By the way, we are at like 200,020 entries right now, which is around double, a little bit more, 2.5 times more than last week. So this is a huge achievement. Like, I'm really proud to see that people are engaging a lot, and our target of 1 million entries is pretty close, which is, by the way, unlocking extra prizes. So if the community is so strong that they can actually reach 1 million entries, we're going to unlock additional prizes as well. The special prize I just mentioned, then we have a cash prize of $1,000, 2 times $250, and we have 10 times 30% discount bouchers for our trading accounts. So those are worth up to $5,000 each. Yeah, it's totally free to join for anybody. You don't need trading accounts, of course. You get entries, additional points if you have some, but it's completely open to all participants. And we're gonna double basically the prices at 1 million entry, right? So there's a lot of additional prizes. You can join the contest at aiprop.com/contest Dubai. Yeah, we have social media tasks, referral tasks where you can refer friends. Those tasks are the most valuable tasks, so you get the most points for referring your friends. Then we also have the purchasing challenge account task where you just have to buy a trading account. This gives you different points. And we have top trader contest. That means if you're in our leaderboard for trading, you also get additional points, because of course we are an AI prop trading company, so the best traders should be rewarded, right? That's actually 11th, the 14th of September. And yeah, we're gonna do weekly AMAs. This is our second AMA. I'm really happy to be here today. And we have those weekly cash prizes as well for up to 100 people. Yeah, which also get USDT paid out directly on the blockchain. Up to $400 cash prize for the top 100 each week. How is this prize distributed? As you can see here, we have basically a total of $200 for the top 20, $150 for the top 50, and another $50 for the top 100. So the winners I just announced, right? I'm going to repeat them at the end of the AMA. Again, if in case somebody joined late, that nobody is missing his prize. We want you all to get your money. Yeah, check your email, by the way. That's the easiest way to basically find out if you won. But you can also go through all the leaderboard on our website. So let's dive a little bit into AI prop companies, right? As I already mentioned, the biggest problem is a lot of traders basically, they over leverage themselves. That means they have a lack of funding. They want to make money. They want to get rich. So they use a lot of leverage, maybe 100x, 200x, so basically they completely over leverage themselves, take a huge risk in order to earn easy money, but end up correct at the end. So this is a big problem. That's why AI prop companies basically stepped up, and they provide all the funding so people can trade with way bigger amounts they have, so they don't need to use a big leverage, which basically makes the whole thing way safer, because your where you get liquidated, your entry and exit points are like way more human. So our biggest account size is, by the way, up to $5 million. This is for professional traders. So we have basically different account sizes depending on the people's skills. We have accounts for beginners and we have accounts for professionals, right? And you can scale up those accounts with trading challenges. The better you trade, the access to more money you get. It's like a little bit gamification. This is an industry record, by the way. No other company has providing so big account sizes for traders. So yeah, we are leading in that terms. We are registered in Dubai, by the way. We have our headquarters in Dubai Silicon Oasis, where you can find us and come by at any time. And we are backed up by multiple brokers. Our number one broker is CoinStart, which has been around 3 years already. They are also on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, exchanges. They're everywhere. So yeah, they are super legit, and you can check them out. They have a token as well, of course. And yeah, they are listed since a long time. These are our company rules. So basically, we use blockchain for like transparent payouts, right? Everybody can exactly see all the payouts we do. This is, as I mentioned, CoinStart, our prime broker. And we have also the industry highest profit rates. That means if you make profit, you can keep up to 95% of that profit, our company fee in the whole industry. So we have very clear and simple trading routes, and we want everybody to win, right? That's why we have integrated all the newest AI technology. We have 4 different AI tools, which helps you to make better financial decisions and become a better trader. Our maximum account size you can open at the beginning is $500,000, and you can scale up those accounts up to 5 million, passing the trading challenges. Those are our brokers, our venture capitals. As I mentioned, CoinStart is the number one, but we have an additional ones as well, and we have all custom 1,500 trading pairs. You can trade stocks, modalities, crypto, of course, and we have a 3-day payout rule, so you can request payout every 3 days. And we have 24 hours support. We have a chatbot, for example, but of course we also have social media channels with human moderators. As you can see, those are our accounts. So it basically starts at like a $10,000 account up to 500,000. But of course, this is the money provided. So the $10,000 account doesn't cost $10,000, right? I just want to clarify that right here, that people, maybe they just see it right now and think, oh my God, this is so expensive. No, this is just the maximum amount you can trade with, right? This is not the purchase amount for this account. So then we have the scale up plan. It basically means once you got your account, you can pass trading challenges. So reach basically certain profit targets. If you can make that, basically, we can provide you by ourselves with bigger accounts. This basically, of course, helps everybody. You have access to more money, can basically make higher profit. And if you make higher profit, the company makes higher profit as well. So basically, it's a win-win situation, which is basically our company rule. That's how we actually, operate. 95% of the profit goes to the user. This is highly transparent. And of course, we pay out everything in USDT on the blockchain. And we also set an industry record for the AI proprietary industry. This is our highest single payout we have done till now, is $1 million went to that trader. Very, very impressive. So yeah, everything is transparent on the blockchain. You can check it out, as well as for the affiliate programs, and everything is on the blockchain. These are our 4 major AI tools. So basically, Those tools help the user to become a better trader. We have like a AI chatbot. Of course, it's like a chatbot. You can ask questions. It's similar to ChatGPT, right? If you have any questions about trading, whatever, you can ask everything anytime. And we also have an AI coach. So coaching, everybody knows what a coach is, right? A coach helps you to become a better person, whatever you do. If it's like a sport coach, we have a trading coach, right? They explain you all the simple rules of trading, because trading is actually very structured, right? It has nothing to do with luck. It's based on news, on charts, and on smart decisions. It's a little bit like playing poker, right? If you have a poker card, you have your hand, it's all about percentage, right? So that's why trading is very mathematical. There's a lot of different trading lines, and there is accumulation phases and sell-offs and everything, right? And we teach you about all of that. Our bots know about all of that and help you to become a better trader. And we are very proud, actually. We run some tests, right? Before we went actually live with the company, we already had a 2-month early access testing phase. And the result was basically that traders were 30% more effective and made 30% more profit, right? So our system helped everybody to get 30% better, which is, I think, a huge success and a very nice proof of our company's success. We also have AI analytics. This is providing you with all the market insights, news coverage, charts, liquidity intake, everything, right? So this is super, super important to make decisions as well. AI is completely needed because nobody can like watch the news all the time, right? You cannot be on Twitter and on the radio and some live streams all the time at the same time. That's why everything is automatically provided for you. This is our event in Dubai, right? As I already mentioned, everybody's invited to come by. We are having a booth over there. We are a sponsor of the world's largest Forex event. Please come by if you're around. I know a lot of people working in the industry. They are already based in Dubai because Dubai has a really nice zero tax policy. So yeah, if you make profit with AI prop, you don't even need to pay tax in Dubai. How amazing is that? So this is our funding challenges. Basically, I talked about to scale up your accounts. The first profit target is going to be 10%. So basically, if you make a trade and you reach those 10% profit, then you pass the challenge. There's also like a drawdown of maximum 8% and daily drawdowns of 4%. That basically prevents everybody from losing money, right? Of course, if you have access to huge capital, there must be one downside. The downside is basically like an automated stop loss, which helps you if you made a bad financial decision to limit the loss, basically, right? Because everybody wants everybody to profit. The company should profit, the trader should profit. That's why there are max drawdowns, which prevent major losses. There's a second step challenge as well. And if you pass those 2 challenges, you can automatically upscale your account and have access to even more funding. These are all the account sizes you can basically reach. You can scale up your account from $10,000 to $500,000. Yeah, this is a summary of all the things I just said. These are our major basic rules, basically, right? The auto scale up, the payout 95%, 3 days payout request. And yeah, you can, by the way, you can retry every challenge. If you fail the challenge, of course, yeah, we want to keep you motivated. You can, yeah, just try again. So, and we have a lot of cash prizes. We want everybody to be in kind of like a competition and be motivated constantly, yeah, to win even more money. So we have like our monthly competition right now. This is our first monthly competition with the Dubai prize, and we have our weekly competitions. And later we're going to have country-based competitions. For example, who's the best trader in India, in Vietnam, in Indonesia. We can have like local trading competitions as well, exclusive community competitions, basically. And we have new challenges for every month planned. We also have an affiliate program. This is also something really interesting, especially if you're maybe like an influencer or you have a trading community. or you're just a social person with a lot of friends who happen to be a trader or want to become a trader, you can refer your friends and you earn up to 25% commission. This is lifetime based as well. That means, once you signed up a few people, you can basically earn forever. Like when MAXC, by the way, was new, I signed up, for example, a couple of people, and now I get like $1,000 every month since like 5 years already. It's pretty amazing. Everybody who ever tried those affiliate programs, they can be really rewarding long term. It's like a passive income, basically. Yep. So this is our payout list for the affiliate program. These are our major communities at the moment. We have the most traders from Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, and India. And this is the payout list from July. We paid out more than $20,000 for the affiliate program in July. Yeah, that was my short summary about AI Prop. I hope everything was kind of clear. If you have any question, of course, you can ask me anytime. Yeah, we are proud to be here in the industry, and we are proud to be the industry leader, and we are happy to make everybody a better trader and help you to become a better trader. Thank you very much.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Mr. Eddy, for such a great presentation about the project. And yeah, people, those who are interested, just be the part of this thriving community. And to participate in the weekly or the monthly contest, try to climb up. I'm like in the leaderboard. And if you want to know more about the project, I would recommend you to check out their white paper or their website. You will get a comprehensive understanding of their work. So please, guys, do so. And beside that, if you have more questions regarding the contest, I think feel free to drop this question on their community channels like Telegram or whether they have a Discord as well. So you can post this question on their community channel. Their community manager or their lead member will definitely going to guide you. And now, CD, let's dive deep into the project detail. I think you already gave us, but I have some set of questions for you. So are you ready to answer that?
Of course, of course.
Let's us okay. Let's dive deep into it. So many firm in the market claim to support trader, but AI prop is positioning itself very differently that I got to know so far. So could you explain what truly set the AI prop apart from the crowd?
What makes us different? Well,
Yes.
basically, I think an advantage of AI prop companies in general to normal trading companies is basically that you have access to more capital, right? But also, if you trade on like exchanges, for example, like Binance, I think they kind of lack a little bit the support. Of course, you can place all your trades there, but you don't really have AI tools helping you out or like a coach explaining you, by the way, like basically what to do, right? And how to do better, basically. So that's what it's like a little bit, we are combining maybe like a trading academy with like an exchange plus tons of money to access to. So yeah, this is basically what we're doing. And since we have such a huge broker backup, we have, as I said, the industry record for the highest payout yet. So the most successful trader on our platform. And also we have the biggest account sizes, which makes the company interesting for professional traders as well as beginners.
All right. Thank you so much for highlighting those point, and that's really could say refreshing approach in the prop industry. So good to hear that. Beside that, payouts are always a hot topic, and our trader wants to know what's the maximum payout potential here, and how quickly can someone scale their capital with AI prop?
Yeah, so the good point is our payouts, of course, are highly transparent on the blockchain. And of course, our brokers are already around a long time, which gives a lot of security as well. As I already mentioned, right, CoinStart is listed, for example, on every exchange and leaderboard, like all the crypto stuff, right? CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. They are an official company registered in Canada, by the way. We have our office in Dubai. And everything is fully transparent. I already showed you some payouts in my presentation. And your profit rate is 95%. And everything is in USDT, every 3 day requestable. and then yeah, we just send the money to you. And as you said, we already paid out 1 million was the maximum we paid out yet, but if maybe somebody makes more money, then we're going to pay out more money. So there's no limitation in that.
All right. Sounds exciting. Thank you so much for explaining that. And I'm sure that our traders in the community are already, I mean, like imagining their consistent performance could like unlock for them. So yeah, really excited for them. And yeah, people just be the part of the project and yeah, I'm like explore more. There's a lot of opportunity to I'm like get the reward from this project. So please do so. Okay. Beside that, I have another question. Like many, I mean, like prop from restrict boards or could say weekend holds and news trading. Like, so does AI prop give a trader that freedom, and are there any limits also?
On the usage of bots, right? So
Yeah.
basically, I think bots belong to every modern trader, or like to every modern life, right? It's really fast how quickly bots entered basically any industry I know about. Of course, the trading industry also doesn't come around them. So we encourage people to use bots. We have 4 different AI bot tools basically, which are provided by our company, but we also allow the integration of other bots. So basically, we have some tech support also to use the user bots as well, and they can integrate it in the platform. Yeah, so basically you can use other bots as well.
All right.
Technology is power.
All right, that's good to know. Thank you so much for that clarification. Okay, so Mr. Edie, like since AI is in the every name, right, in very name, so could you share more about how your tools like AI Coach or AI General or I could say AI Dashboard make trading smarter and more structured?
Right. Yeah. First of all, we have like a news bot, right? So basically, they track all kind of different sources at the same time, right? Like back in the days, you would maybe read some stock news in your daily newspaper. Now it's an online newspaper or whatever, but stuff like Twitter is way faster, right? So you have crawling bots basically who extract informations, for example, from Twitter as well. So there's all kind of different sources, and the bot, the AI tool, can basically check them all at the same time. So that's a huge advantage. Yeah, so you get basically real-time information. Yeah, then we also have a coach which basically teach you about yeah, how to basically all the basics of trading, where you should buy, where you shouldn't buy, but it's all based on data as well, right? There are certain trading basically limits and structures which are all explained in there basically. Yeah, and this guide is gonna basically coach you, and also a step by step, right? You can start with the small account, and then they give you some challenges. You pass them, you get a harder challenge. So yeah, slowly by slowly, step by step, yeah, getting you on track. And that's also like you basically have like it's like a little bit like discipline, right? For example, why are people using coaches, right? I mean, for example, a lot of people nowadays go to the gym as well or do some sport, right? But there is also like maybe a lack of motivation. But if you have a coach which basically tells you, hey, it's time for your daily trading, something like that, right? So yeah, you have a coach to basically motivate you and discipline you, yes, and keep you on track. And then of course you have our AI dashboard, which has all the data driven insights, yes, to give you a structured overview. Where is the liquidity coming in? For example, you have sometimes like a breakout, it's called breakout, right? And then you can exactly see where the liquidity came in at what levels. So those are good levels, for example, to buy, or where the chart is going to bounce. Yeah, traders, they know about that. Yeah, I'm still using the AI coach as well to learn more. So yeah.
All right, yeah, got it. Beautifully explained. Thank you so much for that. And those who are interested, I would recommend you to check it out. The I'm like white paper, as I told you earlier as well. And our team, our crypto arena team, already pin all the social channels of AI prop on the announcement channel, guys. So to check it out, all the official channels over there, and just join the community and share with your friends as well. Okay, so moving on to the another question, like trust is also very important in the Web3 space, I believe. So why should trader feel safe building their career with like AI prop compared to the traditional farm? Can you give some sort of reasons?
Yeah, of course. So basically, we're highly transparent. There are no hidden fees. We have a very competitive profit rates, right? As I mentioned, 95% is profit belongs to the trader. So this is the most competitive rate in the industry as well. And yeah, I think this is already reason enough. We have seen a lot of raise of similar companies. For example, maybe people, Rollbit or Hyperliquid. Those are as well blockchain-based companies, basically, which have been very successful recently. So yeah, we can just join this line and become the next super startup.
All right, really looking forward for that. And I have some another set of questions that our community member has some, like doubt or could say some question regarding the gaming. So could you answer like why are leaderboard updates and rewards sometimes delayed?
So basically, this is because we need to check and track all our entries because we want to be highly transparent and even we embrace technology a lot. We don't want anybody cheating. So the only place where bots are not allowed is our contest. Yeah, the contest, of course, is should be fair for everybody, right? So we need to do some tech IT checking basically for like IP cheating or anything like bots are not allowed in the contest, so that's why the entry needs to get verified by the system before the entries enter the leaderboard.
That makes total sense. Thank you so much for that answer. Beside that, I have another follow-up question. Like, what happened if someone, if someone is caught cheating?
Well, that leads to disqualification. Basically, the entry is gonna be removed. Yeah, there is no discussion or compromise because cheating is really not good. We are not a friend of that, and everybody should have a fair chance to win, right? Like our company values equality and fairness. So this is completely forbidden and leads to disqualification.
All right, yeah, got it. But like instant ban sound strict. So why did you choose such a strong policy?
Pardon, can you repeat it, please?
Yeah, for sure. So I was saying like instant ban sounds strict, right? So why did you choose such a strong policy?
Well, I don't think it's strict because if somebody is cheating, then they do something wrong, so they needs to get punished, right? So of course, this is all verified by our tech team. So there is no chance that there is a mistake or anything because this is all based on like technical evidence. If people, we can totally see if somebody is cheating with bots or anything. This is very easy to verify. We can check all the IPs, for example, then we exactly see if somebody makes like 100 accounts from the same IP. This is really easy to detect. And we want to ensure really this fair, transparent environment for all the other people. You know, if we wouldn't ban them immediately, all the other people would be mad probably.
Totally got you. Thank you so much for that answer. Okay, so beside that, what kind of new task can player expect in the coming weeks?
Yeah, we have all kind of different tasks. We are like 4 different categories. Of course, we have our monthly tasks, and then we always add some fresh daily challenges, maybe some quiz, all kind of different stuff, or some daily social media tasks. Maybe there's a new post to like or something. Some tasks are pretty simple, and you can just use maybe 5 minutes a day, some short interaction, and you already get some fresh entry points and tickets for our lottery.
Wow, that sounds really fun. So those who are listening, guys, it's your chance to get in early. So yeah, just do participate and be ready for the upcoming week's contest as well. Okay, So, other than this, I have another question. Like, how do I mean, like the task that you just mentioned add real value beyond just like earning points?
Well, of course, this is like a marketing tool. As a certified marketing manager, I can totally verify that, right? Like this, all those challenges and tasks, they help, of course, to spread the word about AI prop and bring awareness. But also, there's like a educational aspect as well. So basically, of course, if people have to interact with the company rules, the quiz or everything, the board system, they learn something about it already. So yeah, it's like learning by doing a little bit gamification as well, so people already can get some knowledge, enhance their knowledge about our system and everything. So yeah, get to know the company.
Okay, that's awesome. And I believe this is the best way to like engage people or tell them to like learn more about the project. So yeah, that's a great strategy. Okay. Other than this, how is AI prop handling global participation?
Yeah, basically everybody is equal, everybody is invited, doesn't matter where your entry is coming from. Basically, yeah, we want to ensure like the fair representation worldwide, so everybody can enter. Yeah, that's totally fine, doesn't matter where you are, where you come from, everybody is welcome.
For sure. Okay, so I have another question, and I think you already answered it. But yeah, for more reassurance, could you please answer them? Like some people are just joining in now. So how do like do they still stand a chance at the rewards and rankings?
Yeah, totally. Like because I mean there is the big monthly challenge, which is only halfway in, so there is still 2 weeks time to gather some points. At the end as well, the entries, they're all kind of like a lottery ticket, right? And only because somebody has 100 tickets and you have only one, it doesn't mean that you cannot win, right? So it's based on luck a little bit. That's how lotteries work, right? So basically, but as well, of course, your chance is higher with more entries, and that's why we constantly add more entries, and we have all the daily new tasks added every day. Then we as well have the weekly challenge, right? So if you just joined now, you're still totally at the point where you can enter the third and fourth week challenge, where you can earn some extra money and prizes as well. Yeah, so it's totally fine to enter right now. I would just start right now if I would be you.
Okay, so yeah, people, those who are listening, join now. It's a chance to get in early still and yeah, grab some points and climb the leaderboard. Okay, other than this, also give us some secret recipe how someone can like maximize their chance to win big.
Well, you can just finish all the tasks. The more tasks you do, the higher is your chance. Some tasks have to do with trading accounts. So yeah, if you're a good trader, you can earn some extra points as well. And of course, if you're a good trader, you also make some money. And we help you to become a better trader. So how good is that? You only win here.
Only win here, right? Okay, so now I have last question for you before wrapping up this incredible Q&A session. So, what's next for the I'm like AI prop Dubai 2025 contest?
Well, we are 2 weeks in. By now, we constantly adding more tasks and also more rewards, right? We have the super challenge as well. So basically, if we reach 1 million entries, we're gonna also unlock additional prizes again. So yeah, people can even win more. I think we are kind of scaling exponentially. Like actually, in the first week, when I did the first AMA, we only had, I think, it was only like 1,000 entries. Then we crossed 100,000 now already. So we are scaling up so fast. I'm pretty confident we're gonna reach the million entries basically, and then unlock more prizes for everybody of you. So this is really cool. And of course, the big winner has the chance to go to Dubai. I'm gonna be there as well. So yeah, we can just hang out at the 4X Expo and yeah, check out Dubai. And yeah, overall, as I mentioned, AI prop is helping everybody to become a better trader, right? And so our company plan is basically to slowly engage in more countries, scale up, and basically expansion.
All right, that's good to hear. Thank you so much for that answer. And I think that was that we covered all the detailed information about the AI prop so far. And first of all, thank you so much to you, sir, for being here, for like sharing all the insight about the project and for your valuable time as well. And those who are listening us right now, thank you so much to you guys as well for tuning in with us. And as I told you earlier as well, learn more about the project by checking out their white paper or their website, explore more, be the part of the project. And yeah, you will have like a great chance to have like a trip to Dubai and earn some like cash points as well, cash money as well. So yeah, grab those chance. And as we wrapping up, so do you want to say something to our community as a closing statement? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. As I already said before, we even had a testing stage, right? So we have a proof basically that everybody became around 30% in average a better trader. Everybody was able to make 30% more profit. So yeah, this is good for everybody. We're trying to create a win-win situation where trader become better. If they make more money, the company makes more money, of course, because we have our 5% fee, right? So this is how it works. Yeah, and then we try everything to help you to become a better trader and make more money. So yeah, join AI Prop, join our contest. There are a nice chance for like additional free money. Who doesn't like free money, right? And I hope that everybody can learn something here. And trading is a really cool way to have a job or like even just some additional income besides the main job, right? You don't need to be a full-time trader. We have basically plans for everybody, the big professional traders as well as the hobby traders. Yeah, everybody is welcome. Join AI Prop and become a better trader. Start your trading journey and earn some money with AI Prop. Thank you.
For sure. Thank you so much once again, and really looking forward for many more such session with another incredible update. So yeah, see you then. Bye bye. Have a great day, and all the way best from our side. Bye.
Okay. Have a great evening. Bye bye.